A food is a non-poisonous, edible or drinkable substance that consists of components that can be ingested, absorbed, and used by the body for its maintenance and development. From a chemical point of view, foods have the following composition: carbohydrates or the constituents, fats or the constituents, proteins, vitamins, mineral salts, water. Therefore, all we eat is a mixture of chemical compounds. Chemistry has played a very important role in this higher agricultural yield, providing crop-enhancing chemicals, non-productive plant suppressants, pest protectors, and crop additives. All these chemicals have a beneficial role for humans.
Chemistry in medicine. It is responsible for studying and applying all concepts of traditional organic chemistry to the development of substances. Medicine is based on diagnostic and treatment. The treatment is based on the application of chemicals to combat disease. The chemistry has contributed to the medicine in the following points: the development of new drugs that contain substances that act in a specific way in the infectious agent, and this causes not to be harmed when ingesting it. Medical chemistry aims to identify, synthesize, and develop new chemical compounds that are suitable for therapeutic uses.
Chemistry is very important for this subject, which has much to do because it can provide solutions to the problem of melting poles. Chemistry plays a very important role. With it, we can develop new technologies to keep control on this phenomenon. With the chemistry, we can take care of our planet by recycling materials that give the environment. The term global warming refers to an increase in Earth's mean global temperature because a part of Earth's outgoing infrared radiation is retained by several trace gases in the atmosphere whose concentrations have been increasing because of human industrial, commercial, and agricultural activities.
What does chemistry have to do with war? Well, it studies the physical and chemical properties as well as reactions. When we mix substances or joint elements, we can produce lethal substances, generating chemical weapons. A clear example is in the Second World War. In 1968, discussions of chemical and biological weapons began in the context of the Conference on Disarmament in Geneva. It had plenary meetings and informal consultations, in the course of which the various disarmament treaties were negotiated. From this moment on, chemical and biological weapons, which had always been dealt together, began to be examined as two separate themes and areas. This was due to the perception that while it was possible to achieve, in the short term, a comprehensive agreement banning biological weapons, similar action on chemical weapons world require a more complex process of understanding.
In today's world, chemistry is extremely important. Because of it, we can understand and discover new things about life, the environment, and nature, which allows to generate great changes in the technology, medicine, and in the relation of the man with the nature. In our country, chemistry not only generates great progress, but also thanks to the research done in the field of chemistry by university students, our country is recognized worldwide and is a winner of international prizes or competitions. In the life of man, chemistry is present at all times, not only as matter, but in actions or changes. Chemistry serves us, among many things, to understand why things can apply to our daily life, so we can adapt more easily to this world in constant evolution. The reason for chemistry is man and his nature.